Thanks for stopping by to color. Today we're going to be working on this adorable Sassy Cheryl Stamps image called My Little Snuggle Bunny. I'll put a link to the image down in the description box if you'd like to head over and grab one and color along too. I was browsing Pinterest the other day and I seen an image where someone had colored it and they'd put this frame around the outside. So I thought I would go ahead and give that a try today. I thought it looked super cute and wanted to add it to my image today just to give it a little bit of something extra. I'm using my Copic multi-liner there to add the lines because I want to color right next to the line here at the end. I also went ahead and did a color chart at the front of the video. I listed all the Copic markers I'm going to use today. So if you missed that, go ahead and you can hit pause or rewind it and go back and see that. I will also put a link to the blog post for this card down in the description with everything I used and all the Copic markers and a pin card if you want to head over to the blog and pick that up. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music and let you go ahead and watch the coloring, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our card together. I'm going to be using some Echo Park Sweet Girl paper there. I was going to use this green side, but then decided that the pink side would make my green on my girl stand out a little bit better, so I went with that. And on my little sentiment there is from the Your Next Stamp Company Cool Tags banner set. And I'll put a link to the paper and the sentiment set down in the description box in case you're interested in those. Next, I'm going to go ahead and attach my little yellow tag there with my tiny attacher. I thought that would add a little bit extra something there on the side, and I thought it looked cute. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my sentiment at the bottom of the card, and I'm just going to layer those two pieces together and pop them on there. So anyway, I hope you had fun coloring today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.